In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate your LinkedIn account temporarily. We're going to walk through this process together, step by step, ensuring it's as seamless as possible. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Once there, if you're not already signed in, LinkedIn will prompt you to log in. You can sign in using Google or Microsoft, or, if you prefer, you can enter your email address and password manually. Make sure to have those details handy if you're working from memory. For those with two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might require an extra step. You'll receive a code via text message or an authenticator app, so retrieve that code and enter it when prompted to verify your account access. Once you've successfully signed in, direct your eyes to the top right corner of the page. You'll find your profile picture there. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you'll want to select Settings and Privacy. This takes you into the heart of managing your LinkedIn preferences, where we'll make the change you're set to accomplish today. On the Settings and Privacy page, turn your attention to the Account Preferences section. Here, you have control over a range of account settings. You'll want to scroll down until you locate the Account Management area. It might take a little scrolling, but keep going, you'll find it. Under the Account Management menu, there's an option labeled Hibernate Account. Click on this, and you're well on your way to deactivation. LinkedIn is quite understanding of personal preferences, so they've made this option relatively accessible. Now, LinkedIn will provide some prompts asking you to select a reason for hibernating your account. This could vary from needing a break to managing multiple accounts, or any other reason that fits your current situation. It's important to select a reason that aligns with your needs. Once you've done that, LinkedIn will ask you to confirm your decision by entering your password. Don't skip this step. This is a crucial part of ensuring your account is deactivated securely. Finally, after entering your password, click on Hibernate Account to confirm your choice. And there you have it, your LinkedIn profile is now in hibernation mode. It will be hidden from others' view, but you'll have the ability to reactivate it easily whenever you're ready to return. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to temporarily step away from the world of LinkedIn. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful.